Exness has been operating in the forex market since 2008. The broker operates legally in more than 130 countries around the world. Exness holds the following active licenses, which are located in the United Kingdom, Cyprus, and also in the British Virgin Islands. And what I like is that the broker is a permanent member of the Financial Commission, whose compensation fund covers up to 20,000 euros per person in case of any force majeure. Exness holds leading positions in forex rankings. Since its founding, Exness has regularly received various industry awards such as Best Mini Broker, and its monthly trading turnover amounts to $325 billion. At the moment, the broker offers the opportunity to trade cryptocurrencies, more than 120 currency pairs, energy resources, and metals. I checked the main markets by traffic and client base, and what I found is that about 42% of the share is taken by Thailand, meaning that most of the traders are located in Thailand. Next comes India with 14.5%, followed by Egypt, South Africa, and Vietnam. The broker Exness divides trading accounts into two main categories. The first category is standardized accounts. They are suitable for beginners. And there is also a professional category. And each of these categories comes with different conditions, spreads, commissions, minimum deposit requirements, and various other interesting features. Well, let's break it down step by step. The first one for beginners is called the standard account. Here, there is no commission, the minimum deposit is $10, and there is a small spread of 0.3 points. Next, there is the standard cent account. Again, the minimum deposit is $10, the spread starts from 0.3 points, and there is no commission. But the only thing is, for this particular account, only MetaTrader 4 is supported. And next we have professional accounts. This is the raw spread account, where there is no spread at all, but there is a commission starting from $3.5 per lot one way. But here, the minimum deposit is already $200. Next is the zero account. There is no spread, the commission ranges from 0.2 to $1 per spread, and the minimum deposit starts from $200. And we also have the pro account, where the spread starts from 1.1 pips and the minimum deposit is $200. There is no commission. Now let's talk about the strengths of the broker Exness compared to other competitors. The first is free VPS hosting, provided you have at least 14 days of trading activity and a deposit of at least $500. There is also instant withdrawal of funds. There are also segregated accounts and tight spreads. And I would also add a great mobile app as an advantage. Now let's talk about the company's weaknesses. The first is support is only available in English, and the education section is written only in English. So if you're from another country and want to check out this broker's educational materials, you'll have to, as they say, know English. And another downside is that this broker is currently not available in Russia. So if you are a resident of the Russian Federation, you won't be able to register with this broker. That's the review. Subscribe to this channel, there will be lots of useful and interesting content here.